It was the worst day of my life. It was a day that changed my future forever. 11 years ago, my dad suddenly passed away. Suddenly, we lost our only source of income. Suddenly, we didn't know how I was going to afford to go to college. But I knew my dad had a plan. The month he passed away was the month of our final mortgage payment on the house. He also gave me an opportunity to mature and become an adult much quicker. I didn't realize the impact my dad had on others until I went to the funeral. He was a regular person. He immigrated to the United States and didn't speak English. He worked a bunch of labor-intensive jobs and eventually ended up in a company. He was just a regular technician working on the assembly line. But on the day of the funeral, the company nearly stopped production. So many of his coworkers and peers wanted to go to his funeral and demanded that they should go and were willing to take a vacation day to go. But the leaders and executives stepped in and said, we can't stop production. We can only send 2 representatives. At the funeral, I realized the impact my dad had on others. Like I said, he was just a regular person working on the assembly line. But people share stories of how kind, how humble, how genuine he was. And that resonated with me. I didn't know he had that big of an impact on others. Those stories made me want to be just like him, be kind, be genuine, be helpful for others. This is week 49 of round 2 of my 52-week challenge to create videos every single week on LinkedIn. And in the comments below, I want to ask you all, how do you want to be remembered as? What qualities do you want to be remembered as? What are you going to do today to make sure that you're going to be remembered as how you want to be? Thank you all for letting me share such a personal story with you all. And have a great week, everyone, and I'll talk to you all next week.